Good morning, dear students. So, in this video, we will talk about the second activity of the chapter, and that one is to carry out the reaction between acids and metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. As you know, the formula of metal carbonate is if metal is any X, okay, so according to its valency, it can be 2 CO3, okay, na? And if I will write Na, then it can be Na2CO3, okay. And for bicarbonate, you know what would be added into this one? Na hydrogen. For bi, you can use hydrogen, but you have to reduce the valency also, okay na? So this is the metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate, as you know the formula. Now you can understand what is the material in this activity. While doing the activity, what is the materials required? We have to actually take all the materials required. So first one is test tube, then sodium carbonate, yes, I have told Na2CO3, then sodium bicarbonate, yes, I will give the formula of this one also. Lime water, dilute hydrochloric acid, means hydrochloric acid is actually added with water. Then delivery tube, crystal funnel, stand, cork. Okay, I will show you one of the diagram, and from that you will understand that all the materials is actually required for completing this activity, okay na? So you can see one of the, actually I will make the diagram for this one and you will understand, okay? So as you know that this procedure, that reaction is being done, that reaction is, activity is done in the test tube. So you can take test tube, and here you see that two compounds are there. First one is metal carbonate, and second one is metal bicarbonate. So what it suggests? It suggests that we need two test tubes, okay now? We need two test tubes. So you can see in the next one, I am making actually, here I will take two test tubes separately. I am taking two test tube, and in both the test tube I will actually take sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. That one is sodium bicarbonate, okay now? So we will do that reaction here at the same place, okay now? So here I will actually take some amount of sodium carbonate, 0.5 gram, okay? You can see I am showing you here, that is the first I have actually taken all the materials required, then I am actually drawing the diagram. But here you can see the procedure is here. Take about 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate in a test tube and mark it as A. Take about 0.5 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate in another test tube and mark it as B. Okay now? So you can see I am giving you first of all diagram, then I will discuss with the procedure. So you can see here I have taken two test tube, okay now? Two test tube I am taking. Now I will add some amount of Na2CO3, and I don't know what is the procedure. Some amount of compound, okay na? Some amount of compound, metal carbonate I will add into this one, okay na? Metal carbonate. And in this, what I will add? In this I will add metal bicarbonate, I will add, okay na? Metal bicarbonate. Now what I will add into this one? I will add some amount of HCl, but HCl I will not add directly. I will add one of the crystal funnel into this one, crystal funnel. This one is like this one arrangement. So from this tip shape of this long tube it is having, so I will add HCl. Through this crystal funnel. I will add HCl from this crystal funnel. So HCl, now it has actually come into this one. Now I will close this one, okay now, by making some of the adjustment, or by cork I will place cork into this one, okay? Now what I can say that I am actually removing this all. You have understood metal carbonate, metal bicarbonate I have taken. So freshly diagram I am actually taking. How I have added HCl and how I have taken uh, metal carbonate, metal bicarbonates you have understood. Now you can see I have both of the mixture, means metal carbonate plus HCl. Metal carbonate plus HCl I have. So I am actually taking some different color. HCl I am taking from the green. HCl, you can understand that it's the solution contains both of the thing. One is metal carbonate and one is HCl, because I have added HCl with the Thistle funnel. And in this also the same thing is there. Same thing means HCl is also present, HCl is also present, and that one metal bicarbonate is also present. So I have taken here metal bicarbonate HCl, here metal carbonate HCl. Okay, now both in this, both all the things are present. Now I will actually keep the cork. Okay, Thistle funnel is actually present over there, no problem. Okay, now I will take another test tube like this one. Like this one I will take another test tube, and I will add one delivery tube I will add here like this one. Okay, and in this I have taken lime water. Okay, lime water I have taken. It is available in the laboratory. Lime water I have taken in both the test tube. You can see together I am doing both the experiment. Okay, so I have actually made it. Lime water is present in both by arrow. You can see this one. So same arrangement is there. Here is Thistle funnel. Okay, and here is one of the delivery tube is there. Okay, now after the reaction, what will be, you will see, you will find out that what will be the reaction. Na2CO3 plus HCl, dear student, because you have seen in that diagram sodium carbonate was there and HCl was there. It will react, it will form 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, plus CO2. It will form this reaction. What will sodium bicarbonate form? Sodium bicarbonate will form NaHCO3 plus HCl, because you have taken two test tube now. So NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. What you are seeing? You are seeing in both the chemical reaction products are same, but dear student, here you will find out balancing would be different. In the previous example, in the previous chemical reaction, you had seen that Na2 was there, so I had taken 2 NaCl. So yes, in the balancing there would be the difference. Now you can see in both the reaction carbon dioxide was revolving. Now you can see the procedure, how will you do this activity. Okay, so you can see 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate in a test tube I have taken, and I have marked it as A. First test tube A, second test tube B. Okay, and then you had seen that how I had taken the lime water. Okay, there was second test tube in that I had taken the lime water. Add 2 ml of HCl, to the test tube A and B. Yes, I had taken lime water in both the cases. Okay, sorry. Add 2 ml HCl into test tube A and B. You can add. I have shown you. Now you can see that arrange the delivery tube. Yes, delivery tube I have arranged. Pass the evolved gas through lime water. What will you see? You will see in the next thing, when I had taken that only one test tube I am taking. Here I had also taken one test tube was there, and in that test tube one is Na2CO3 plus I am taking some other thing, that one is HCl, some amount of HCl, 2 ml of HCl they are adding. So it was forming 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Now you can see with the help of a delivery tube, here cork is placed, that carbon dioxide will not evolve through that one, through the mouth of that test tube. So carbon dioxide will come through this one. Now it will go into the beaker where lime water is already present, okay, now lime water is present. So you know, lime water, when carbon dioxide will pass through this lime water, it will turn milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Yes, dear student, you have to understand this one. Calcium hydroxide is lime water, and when it will react with carbon dioxide, it will form calcium carbonate in water, and that calcium carbonate is milky in color, okay now. So we can say that what would be the observation and discussion in this case. You can say, when sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate reacts with HCl separately, yes, two cases are there, na? Two reaction I have taken, na? Sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, HCl, it will react, and in both the cases, sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water will form. You don't have to take any tension, dear students. Sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate with HCl or with any acid, it will produce carbon dioxide and water every time it will produce, and that carbon dioxide, when passes through the lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate, you can see here, due to the formation of calcium carbonate. So this is the reaction, okay na. So now conclusion, you can see conclusion. Acids react with metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate to give carbon dioxide gas along with salt and water. This I have discussed, carbon dioxide gas and salt and water, and this again carbon dioxide will pass through the lime water, it turns into milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. So that's it for the activity, okay na. So that is, you can write in the conclusion section, okay. Thank you.